Hello guys, another Saturday, another video from my car about not that much Laravel topics, but more about dev career. And today I want to get into more philosophical topic, even deeper than usual, not about dev career, but about the purpose of that career. Recently I started thinking about why I'm doing what I'm doing. So as developers, we want to reach heights in our career, right? So we want to become junior, then mid, then seniors, have bigger salaries, receive some awards, work in bigger companies or freelance for bigger clients and stuff like that. But I'm starting to dislike modern culture of hustling. Historically, I've been quite a workaholic, so to speak, so I work quite from early morning, and you don't need to motivate me to sit down to computer and work or shoot videos or something like that. But now I work less hours because my priorities changed, or in fact priorities have been the same, but I could not afford to live on my priorities. So priority number one is life should be family. And this is my overall point that people often forget within their careers, why we do what we do. So those money that we earn is not for ourselves only. If you cannot spend those money on activities and experiences with your dear ones, doesn't matter if it's your parents, siblings, wife, husband, children, grandchildren, or whatever, life should be full of experiences with the loved ones. And our development career allows us to do that if you reach a certain stage. And yes, you need to hustle to reach that stage, but you should not over hustle at the price of neglecting your family. So this is kind of a reminder, a weird reminder. I know this topic will sound weird on my channel, but this is kind of reminder almost to myself that as my daughter grows up, she's now 5, almost 6, I've been constantly thinking about, okay, I go to work and then I need to take her from nursery at 4 p.m. So I was trying to hustle. And then at the end of the day, I was like, damn, it's 4 p.m. Now I need to take the daughter and need to think what to do with her, to play with her. So I was still thinking about work even while driving to the nursery. And at some point I realized it's wrong. So our careers and our development work is with the goal to allow ourselves to buy back our time to spend with our families. In my personal case, it's a weird balance because I'm totally free to plan my time however I want. And with 2 kids, it's quite often a challenge because kids demand attention, especially if the older one is not at the nursery for whatever reason, being sick or something. So sometimes I even need to ask for the time to work or try to find the time for work at weird hours like early morning or at night or something like that. And I thought that is a problem, but you know what? That's fine. Family should always come first. And I remember a few months ago I was tweeting, not sure if you're following me on Twitter. If you're not, then please follow, and I tweet a lot about Laravel and related stuff. So I was tweeting about the experience where my daughter broke her arm and she went through a surgery, quite a complex one, and it was the first surgery in her life and in my life as a father. And I had to be there for her for 5 days in the hospital because my wife was at home with the little one, and because of COVID restrictions as well. So that experience taught me a valuable lesson that family always comes first. If you don't deliver some code, if you don't deliver some project, it doesn't matter that much in the grand context of your family's health and well-being. So I hope this weird video will be a reminder for myself in the future. I will watch that probably. I will make a schedule once a year or something, and also something to think for you guys. And in the comments, please share, do you have any experience that you had overworked and then your family life suffered? Relationships or something. Don't get too deep. I don't want too personal stories from you, but just general. Have you had an experience where you needed to slow down because you hustled too much? Thanks for watching and see you guys in other videos.